Hey everybody, let's talk that survival kit, those void replacements that make our lifestyle practical, sustainable, and fun. Today, one of my favorite, hot chocolate. Wrong side. Traditional hot chocolate, you're typically talking about blood sugar spike. You know what that means? Everybody do it with me? You get appetite going up, fat storage, efficient fat burning stocks for up to 2 days. It's not worth it, y'all. Don't even think about it when you can have really delicious hot chocolate and multiple flavors from Healthwise. This is cinnamon hot chocolate. They have the traditional marshmallow. They have cappuccino flavor. They have delicious hot chocolate. But we're going to put the brakes on the fat bus so that you don't get that insulin provocation and you can keep efficiently losing body fat. The difference is in the very low sugar, 2 grams of sugar, and that is neutralized totally by 15 grams of protein. So we're getting the protein in to preserve our muscle in a delicious fashion. Now here's the way that we can use the Healthwise hot chocolate and cappuccinos. You can use number one, as if you're a big eater and you're just getting started, you could use one package as an extra throughout the day. You'll learn in our fast track course that an extra is something that you don't really have to count as a snack or a meal, but you have to kind of keep an eye on it, right? You can't have a freebie, something you can have endlessly, right, without any problems other than discipline problems. We want to eliminate grazing, but sometimes we're just feeling mentally weak and we need that freebie, like sugar-free Jell-O. Okay, this is not that, but this is an extra, meaning one package is not going to hurt you. So you're bored, whatever, you're looking for something to sip on or whatnot, and you're tired of your 0-calorie beverages, you could opt for one package of Healthwise hot chocolate as an extra. If you're wanting to lose weight faster, then you could have 1 to 2 packages of this as one of your snacks, because optimization means 3 or less eating episodes per day. So if we could keep to that, we're going to have better results. When we start having that 4th eating episode, no matter what it is, we see a deterioration in our results, though we can still have results. But you certainly see a slowdown. And most people that start losing weight want to lose it as healthfully and fast as they can. The way I use it, as I've really leaned out through the years, is not even like a snack anymore. I actually use this as my meal. Usually in the morning, I'll take Healthwise hot chocolate and drink it by itself as my first meal episode. Or I will have it with Cocoa Ringa or Bio Coffee. And this makes for an excellent meal replacement that's light, that gives me the protein I need to preserve muscle, and then I move on until my next meal. So having a light meal like that, and then not going over a total of 3 eating episodes a day, that's going to allow me tremendous fat burning results. That's why I'm actually a little underweight now, because as I got closer to goal, I developed the habit of no breakfast or a very light breakfast like this. I didn't start that way. I did not start that way. When I was over 300 pounds, I thought I needed more food than that. So I did press and push the boundaries of the Bulletproof Shield without violating the rules. But now I found I prefer a lightness of being overall, never feeling my stomach stretched. So this is a great meal, snack, or extra, depending on how you want to use it and how fast you want to achieve results. A daily meal plan using this, where you could lose up to 1 pound a day, would be something like following the Shibboleth Shield and having your Healthwise hot chocolate for breakfast. For lunch, maybe having a grilled chicken salad from Zaxby's with no croutons or onion rings and just a little Shibboleth approved dressing. And then in the evening, maybe a hamburger, steak patty, and green beans, which is an approved combination, then stop the eating. That meal plan there will allow anyone to lose tremendous amount of weight, and if you do that repeatedly and keep duplicating that success pattern, you're going to be tremendously successful. So try Healthwise hot chocolate as a booty-burning void replacement for that hot chocolate, that comforting hot chocolate that we used to have.